What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video we are going to be doing a color blend. We are going to be blending color 27, 350 and 613. So per usual, we are going to be blending in 3 different sections, but for today we are going to be blending all 3 colors equally. I got a comment from a subscriber that said that she would also love to see what each colors look like when they are blended equally. And you guys, we got a new brush. Let me know in the comment section if you actually noticed the new brush, and let me know what brush I was using before. Let's see if you're an OG on this channel. So basically we are going to be blending all 3 colors equally first, and then after this we are going to blend more of one color. We are going to be blending more of the color 350 and then less of color 27 and color 613, and then the last part of this video we are going to be blending more of the color 27, which is the color gold, and then less of color 613 and color 350. Now I actually do have a blend that is very similar to this up on my channel already, and it is the color 30, 613 and color 27, and I'm going to leave it on the top right corner of the screen so you can just click on it and then go watch it. I'll also leave the link in the description box below. If you love to check it out, you can do that. I have a whole lot of blends up on my channel already, and yeah, you can basically go check them out for this Christmas and like New Year braids that you would love to make. And if you have any other color requests, just drop them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to create them. Now I know it has been like a hot minute since I last posted. The devil has been trying to do a lot, but we thank God. I actually posted a video, uploaded a video earlier this month. It's a lock video, I think a lock retwist video, but then I paid for a music subscription, right? But then I used the music and then I got a copyright claim. Like, I still don't understand what happened, so I had to take down the video, and I put a whole lot into editing that video that right now re-editing it has been so hard. I'm done re-editing, but I've still not done the voiceover. I've just been so what's the word, I don't even know, should I say unmotivated to do it. So yeah, that was what the first blend looks like, and right now we are going to be blending color 350, more of color 350 and then less of color 613 and 27. Now this has become like a ritual on this channel. Basically, when I'm blending, right, I love to blend completely, and I feel like this is an information that new subscribers or new viewers need to also know, because everyone knows it is very important here on my channel. I say it in all my blend videos. I love to blend completely because it makes it look more organized and more uniform. Now this is 100% my opinion. You can do completely exactly what you want. You can decide to do it anyhow you want, but for me, I just feel like it really looks tacky when I can see the individual colors that you used for your braids. This does not make your opinion or your choice less valid. This is just what I feel, so go ahead to do whatever you want. Braiding and blending is like an art, so really there's no wrong or right way to do it. My own opinion is just that I have to blend completely till my hands drop, till all the colors are like connected and intertwined. I can barely see the individual colors that I used. Now you might be thinking, oh, she's probably going to have to blend forever. Now this is completely impossible. Like, it's not like I can blend all the colors together, but I try as much as I can to make sure that all the colors are well blended. Like, I can barely see the individual colors. Like, if I ask you, oh, what colors did I blend, you have to like think like 5 times or 20 times basically before you know the color. Now this is what it looks like, and beside it is the first blend that I did, which is more of which is the equal blend. Now the one by the right has more of 350 and the one by the left has the equal blend. Now this is the last blend, and we have more of 27 and then less of 350 and less of 613. Now we're just going to blend per usual, nothing special, nothing unique. But if you are just blending for the very first time, I would really advise that you blend in really small quantity. That way the hair will not tangle up really fast, and then you would be able to like control it and be able to blend well basically. So we're just going to do the same thing, and then later in the video I am going to show you what all three blend look like when you put them together, just so you can have like a variety of options. And then I'll also braid it and then show you what they all look like at the end of the video as well. I'm also going to put all three braids together just so you can see exactly what they look like when they are braided side by side. By the way, if you have watched till this point, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and then like the video and turn on post notifications so you'll be informed when next I post a new video basically. So now this is what the blend looks like. This is more of 27 and less of the other two colors, and now this is more of the 350 and less of the other two colors, and this is when I blended all three colors equally. As you can see, the one in the middle has like a warm tone to it. Now the one by my left has like that one is like cool, and then the one by the right, the far right, which is the blend of like the equal blend of all three colors, it looks really beautiful and stunning. Right here I just put it by the left, and here is a braid of all three colors. Far left has more of the color 27, the one in the middle has more of the color 350, and then the one by your right has equal blends. Now this is the end of this video. I hope you really do enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.